Thank you kayo, Mark. Si Road Guide may tanong, paano po kung forged yung pirma pero nagpaalam sa may-ari ng pirma yung withdrawal slip? Kuya Mark.
For example, forged ang pirma pero nagpaalam. So, is it considered falsification? Hindi. Kasi hindi siya matatawag na falsification of a document as a criminal liability. Walang criminal liability kasi may tinatawag ba na may inauthorized man siya na may-ari na to sign the document. So hindi siya matatawag na falsification because in falsification, ang requirement ng falsification, there must be intent to deceive. There must be intent to cause damage. So there was no intent to cause damage. There was no intent to deceive. Bakit? Humingi siya ng authority sa may-ari ng perma. Then, kung gaya ng gamitin ng perma, so ibig sabihin, hindi siya maging liable ng criminal liability for falsification kasi inauthorized naman siya ng may-ari ng perma.